Alright, so how to compile the game? Psych Engine. First, if you don't have it, download a zip, go to the folder that you got, then Control C this, go to command prompt, cd, Control V, and there you're in this folder. Once you're done with that, you go to Ninja Muffins, the normal Friday Night Funkins, not Psych Engine. What is it? Source code, and then you press on install hexflixel. You download both of those. Then you go to command prompt, write in haxelib install. Then the stuff we wrote down here, so like flixel-addons, flixel-addons, hscript, newgrounds, and then you download that just like this. And then you get git. Then you run this command, and run this command into command prompt. This will install everything that you need. Then for compiling, you just run lime test HTML5 debug. You press enter. I already had done it. So oh wait, no, I fucked it up. And now it's doing the debug HTML5 version, and once you got that, you just write a lime test Windows, and in the matter of minutes it will just open up. But if it's the first time when you're compiling the game, then it will probably take a lot of time to make and not make compile. Yeah, it's doing it, and that's basically it. That's how you compile the game. See you in the next video. Bye.